If you're working in HDR in Resolve and you're using Text Plus and your graphics aren't showing up as wide as you want them to, there's a couple ways to fix this. Click on the Text Plus that you want to brighten up. In the inspector window in the upper right corner of the screen, click the title, click shading, click the select element 1, go down to the white box that says color, click the drop down, and you'll see you have a value there. Go ahead and drag that to the right, and you can make that as bright as you want. So I'm going to show you another quicker way to do this if you have like hundreds of titles. So I'm going to undo what I just did, and for this one, let's go scroll to the right a little bit. So then click my Text Plus. I'll go up to Settings in the inspector, and under Composite mode, I'm going to switch this to Linear Dodge, and that brightens up quite a bit. But you can see that we see some of this airplane behind it. To fix this, we're going to double up the title, and now you have pure white in HDR. But let's say you have hundreds of titles you've already made. I'm just going to put some cuts in this. So the way you fix this is select all your titles at once. Hopefully they're on the same track. Hold down Alt and then drag up your titles one layer. And then we're going to select the title that we put the linear dodge on. We're going to copy it with Control C. Select all your other titles. Press Alt V to paste. Make sure composition mode's selected. Turn off position, since we don't want the title positions to change. Click apply, and now all your titles should be completely white.